everybody, back here again. And I'm going to open up the concrete system to show you what you're going to get inside the concrete street system. Let me open up the box, and we get a bag full of stuff. Big box, little bag. Alright, let me open this up. See exactly what's all in here. Okay, start off with, I got a spew here. I take it, these are your roads. Another spew here, it looks like more like sidewalks. I guess these are the manholes. More pieces. More pieces, and looks like driveway entrances. Some curbs. And a couple more sections. And of course, instructions. Quite interesting. Okay. Not much in it. I guess it's pretty cut and dry for the way they want to make it look, I guess. Alright. And that is in this great big box called Concrete Street System. Now, I'll open up the expander and see what's all in there. I have a feeling they made this so I'd have to buy some more. And I have a feeling that's the case. I'll have to look online here and see how much these street systems go for. Alright. Alright, now there's your expander system kit. Alright. We'll open it up. Another bag. At least it wasn't a giant box. Why couldn't they stuck that in that size box? This looks like it actually got more in it. Quite surprised me, huh? This is supposed to be all straight sections, so this, I guess, will make my streets longer. The other is probably going to do my intersection, I have a feeling. Pull these all out. These out of the plastic bags here. Naturally, I came over here and didn't bring a knife. Here's instructions. Alright. A couple small spews. Well, there's a curve, so it ain't all straight sections. Some sidewalk. Don't look a whole lot different than the other one. So that's what you get in these two Walthers kits. Be back when I got some more to open up and show you. Well, you know what? I got one already open. I'll just show you. So I was already looking at it. Set this to the side. This is going to be the first one. If I can get that glare off there. See if I can switch it around. Well, there you go. You guys see what it is. It's the Jim's Red Owl. And this is probably going to be the first structure I build out of the contest kit. I'm going to show you here in a minute what and you get decals if not only for the building itself, but if you get a truck trailer, it gives you the decals to decal up the truck trailer, and it shows you that in the instructions. It also gives you some paper interior that you can put in so that it looks like it got an interior inside, which I thought was kind of cool. And I'm going to pull everything out, I guess. Yeah, but I can. I already took and I went and washed them off. There's your roof, your sign. It looks like a chimney there. And 4 walls. Pretty simple. Looks like a pretty simple kit to put together. So you're going to have to get to see me put that together on camera. That is what is going to be coming up right after this video, this section of the video. I don't need that bag. And I wanted to show you what I did here. Remember the told you I had a section there? You see that little line there? And all that stuff is gone. This is my lift out bridge here. I am getting ready to do it. Have to change out the track and that it. I almost have to keep the shape. I can do a little bit of modifying, but pretty much that is what, after a ton of experimenting, I got to work. So see you on the next installment. One more thing. Jerry's here.